Hi there. Looks like the Hustler Fund, the fund which President William Ruto earmarked to assist small businesses, is ready. And actually, the Hustler Fund is going to be launched officially by the President on 30th of November this year. Even though the hula baloo around was that Hustler Fund was money really targeted to assisting the hustlers out there with no cap to it, the statement from State yesterday revealed that actually the Hustler Fund is going to be capped at 50,000 per small business. Of course, the application is very competitive and also is going to have an interest rate of 8% per month. Hear that. Interest rate 8% per month, capped at maximum borrowing of 50,000 shillings at any particular single borrowing. Which, by the way, if you look at it critically, of course, it is slightly lower than the competitive rate in the market, because at the moment, the competitive rate, for example, we're talking about borrowing at about 12.38% and annualized rate of about 108% from M-Shwari. Of course, the bank rates are much better, but hustlers getting money from the bank is quite an uphill task, more so if they go for looking at unsecured credit. I'm very sure this Hustler Fund is going to benefit a good number of small businesses out there and also youth groups. But I know also the youths out there are going to be disappointed with the cap, because the maximum that any single entity can borrow is 50,000 Kenya shillings. What do you think about this? Are you excited? Are you looking forward for this particular fund? What do you think about the interest rate of 8% per month? Drop your thoughts below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing there. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye.